Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to disable contact syncing in your Gmail account. If you'd like to prevent your contacts from automatically syncing with your device, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process, which you can easily follow on your Android device. First, start by opening the Gmail app on your Android device. You can find it among your apps. It's usually represented by a red M icon. Once the app is open, you'll need to head over to your profile settings. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it to open a menu. This is where you can manage various account settings related to your Google account. After tapping your profile picture, select the option that says, Manage Accounts on this device. This will take you to a screen that displays all the accounts currently linked to your device. It's an important step because it allows you to choose which account you want to modify. Now, find the account you want to sync. This is likely the Gmail account linked to the contacts you want to manage. Tap on that account to enter its specific settings. Once you're in the account settings, look for a section labeled Sync Account. Tapping on this will lead you to a list of sync options available for your chosen account. Here is where you can toggle sync settings according to your preferences. Finally, locate the option for contacts. If you want to disable contact syncing, simply turn off the toggle for the contacts option. This action will stop your device from syncing the contacts stored in your Gmail account, giving you more control over your personal information. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled contact syncing in your Gmail account. Remember, if you ever want to re-enable it, you can follow the same steps and toggle the contacts sync back on.